morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Class 2nd standard, subject mathematics, topic addition on the number line. Addition, already we learnt in previous class. Addition is the process where we put objects together. Addition, and also we learnt addition concept and properties. The words in all, altogether, total, sum imply addition. And also we learned symbol of addition is plus. There are two types of properties. Zero property of addition. When 0 is added to any number or any number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. Second one is example. Zero property of addition. Example is 4 plus 0 also 4. 0 plus 4 also 4. Second addition property of addition. 14 plus 32. 14 is the first addend and 32 is the second addend. If we change the order of this addition, we will get the same sum. 14 plus 32 also 46. 32 plus 14 also 46. We are going to learn addition on the number line and addition using an abacus, adding two-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping means without carrying. Topic addition on the number line. Today we are going to learn a new topic in addition. What is this? What is this, children? Yes, this is a simple line. Now, if we write numbers at equal distances, that become a number line. Let us write. We start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. If you write numbers in equal distances, that become a number line. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Now this becomes a number line. Today we are going to understand how to add two numbers using a number line. So this topic is addition on number line. Let us move to the first topic, addition on the number line. It is very easy, simple and easy, children, to do the addition on the number line. Shall we start now? It is in your textbook, exercise 2.3, addition on the number line. Use the number line to add. One has been done. 19 plus 7 equals 26. Count 7 steps forward from 19. See here they are given in your textbook one example. We will do this one here also. 19 plus 7 equals 26. 19, just to mark it 19. After that, how many steps you should take forward? Count forward 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where we reached? We reached at 26. Now the sum is 26. 19 plus 7 equals 26. Again we will check it. We can count mentally also. Shall we check it mentally? Now keep 19 in your mind and take 7 in your fingers. Take 7 in your fingers. 5 plus 2, 7. Now 19 after 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes, we reached at 26. 26 is the correct sum. Now next sum is 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3, now you mark here 15 and take 3 steps forward. 15 after 16, 17, 18. Now you circle this 18 and write here sum 18. Now this one also we will check it mentally. Now 15 keep in your mind and 3 in your fingers. 15 after 16, 17, 18. 18 is the correct sum. Now next sum 27 plus 6. 27 plus 6. Where is 27 in the number line? Here is 27. Mark here 27. First number is 27. Now you mark it here. After that, take forward 6 steps. 6 steps forward. You should take 6 steps forward. Now you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will write in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where we reach, children? Yes, 33. We reached at 33. 26 plus 7 equals 33. Now we write here this answer. Shall we check it? Now 26 is in your mind. Take 6 fingers in your hand. 5 plus 1, 6. Here 27 after 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Yes, 33 is the right answer. Next sum is 41 plus 7. 41 plus 7 we have to find out. First what we should do? Find out the 41 in number line. Yes, 41 is there. Now mark it here 41. How many steps you should take forward? Yes, 7 steps. Now we take 7 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we reached at 48. Circle it 48. Now let us write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, we jumped 7 steps only. Correctly we have skipped. Now 48 is the correct sum. 41 plus 7 equals 48. The sum is 48. This one also we will check it. 41 keep in your mind and 7 in your fingers. 7 in your fingers. Now 41 after 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Yes, 48 is the right answer. Next sum is 83 plus 4. 83 plus 4, how much? Let us find out. Which is the first number? 83 is the first number. So mark it here. How many steps we should take forward? Yes, 4 steps we should take forward. Now we jump it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps we jump. Now we write here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps we skipped. Now where we reach? Yes, we reached at 87. Now we circle it 87. Now we write answer 87 in this box. 83 plus 4 is 87. Now shall we check it? Again 83 in your mind, 4 in your fingers. Now 83 after 84, 85, 86, 87. 87 is the right answer. Yes. Shall we move next sum? 75 plus 9. 75 plus 9, how much? Yes, first number is 75. Where is 75? In the number line? Yes, here is the 75. Now how many steps we should take forward? Yes, 9 steps we should take forward. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now again you write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we skipped 9 steps forward. Where we reach, children? 84. Now we write here 84 in this blank. 75 plus 9 is 84. Again we will check it. 75 you keep in your mind and 9 in your fingers. Sure, 9 fingers. Along with me you also do it. Yes, 9 fingers are there. Now 75 after. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. 84 is the right answer. Okay, got it how to do? Is it very easy, no? Learning number line is very simple. Everybody understood, children, how to do? Yes. Next topic is addition using an abacus. Addition using an abacus. This is very easy. Abacus is a tool. An abacus is a counting device. An abacus is a counting device or instrument with which we can count numbers and understand the place value of each digit in a number. Here 2 spikes are there or 2 rods are there. Here ones and tens are there. Here is one spike. Another one abacus tool is here. Here also ones and tens are there. In this one 32 plus 23 we have to find out in abacus method. Already we learned how to do in number line. Do this one in number line in your textbook also. And next page only addition exercise 2.4 using an abacus. How to do addition using an abacus. Now shall we do? And draw the beads to show the sum. And draw the beads to show the sum. We should draw the beads to show the sums in this abacus. See here 32 plus 23, how much we have to find here. See here 32 means 2 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. Here another one 23 is there. Second identity is 23. 3 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. 23 you write here and 32 write in this box. Now shall we add this one? How we should add? Now first we should add ones place. Here is ones place, 2 are there. 2 balls are there. Now shall we count it? First count it ones place. Here 1, 2. In this also 3 are there. 2 after 3, 4, 5. Here 5 ones are there. Now we write here 5 and write here 5 circles in this one. 5 circles are beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally how many beads are there? 5 beads are there. Now in tens place, how many beads are there? Yes, here 3 are there. 3 beads are there. In this one, 2 are there. Now we will write here first 3. 1, 2, 3. After that here 2 are there. 1, 2. Now count it. How many are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 beads are there. In ones place also 5 beads are there. In tens place also 5 beads are there. Totally how many beads are there? 55 beads are there. So 32 plus 23 equals 55. Now we will write the sum 55. Total how many beads are there? 25 beads are there. Next sum is 41 plus 35. We should find out 41 plus 35. Here in first spike, ones place we will write. Here only one bead is there. In this one 4 beads we have to write. 4 beads are there. Here 35 means in ones place we will write 5. and tens place 3. Now first we will count ones place. In this, one bead only is there. Right here, ones place, only one bead. Here in this ones place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will write here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in tens place here, how many beads are there? 4. Right here 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this 3 beads are there. Right here 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Now add it totally how many beads are there in ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we write here 6. Here in tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we write here 7. Now 41 plus 35 equals 76. Adding an abacus also very simple. Counting the beads is very simple and very easy. Understood, children? Next, third one. Here is 25 plus 0. 25 plus 0. How much we should find out? In second spike, no beads are there in second unit. So we will write here ones place. How many beads are there? 5 beads are there. Here write here 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this one, no beads. No beads means no need to write here beads. Okay. Now in tens place, how many beads are there? Here 2 are there. Right here 2. 1, 2. In this spike, any beads are there? No. No means nothing. Nothing means 0 only. No need to write here. So we will write here 0. Now totally how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 only. Write here 5. And then here 1, 2. 2 beads are there in tens place. Write here 2. Now 25 plus 0 equals how much? 25. Already you learned this one. Zero property of addition. When we add to the any number to the 0, we will get number itself. Okay. When we add any number to the 0, we will get the number itself. Okay. Or we can add 0 to any number, we will get the number itself. Next, fourth one. Here we have to find out 61 plus 17. Here in first tool, ones place, 1 bead is there. Here 6 beads are there. And here second one, 7 beads are there. And in tens place, only 1 bead is there. So we have to count it how many are there total beads. Now first we will add ones place beads. Here in first one only 1 bead is there. Right here only 1 beads. Here in ones place how many beads are there? 7. So you should write here 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here let us write tens place. How many beads are there here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here only 1 bead is there. Now we write here 1. Now count it totally how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we write here 8. Here in tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we write here 7. Now 61 plus 17 equals 78. Next one is fifth sum. Here we have to find out 53 plus 13. 52, write as it is. 2 is in 1's place, 5 is in 10's place, and 13, 3 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. Now we will write here 2 beads, 1, 2, and 5 means 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this one, 3 means you have to write here 3 beads. Here in 1's place, only 1 bead is there. Now we have to find out total number of beads. Here in 1's place, how many are there? Yes, 2 beads are there. 1, 2. We will write 2. And in this one, 1's place, 3 beads are there. 1, 2, 3. Now let us move to the tens. Here 5 beads are there. Right? 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this tens place, only 1 bead is there right here. 1. Now you count how many beads are there all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now total beads are 6. Now 52 plus 13 equals 65. Right here the sum is 65. 52 plus 13 equals 65. Next sixth sum, 24 plus 23. We have to find it. 24 plus 23. Here 4 beads are there in 1's place. Right here 1's place. 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 3 beads are there. 1, 2, 3. In 10's place, here 2 beads are there. 1, 2. And here 2 beads are there. Right here 2. Now you count it total number of beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will write here 7. In 10's place, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 beads in 10's place. Now total beads are 47. Here 24 plus 23 equals 47. Yes, the sum is 47. 24 plus 23 equals 47. Is it very easy learning abacus method? Counting beads? Yes. Let us move to the next topic, addition. Adding 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping means without carrying. First sum, find the sum. Find the sum. Here we should find out 24 plus 12. 24 plus 12. Here how many are there? One place. Here 4 and 2 is there. 4 plus 2 how much? Now 4 in your mind, or you can write, draw a lines, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 is there means draw 4 lines. Here write here 2 lines. Now you count all lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now write here 4 plus 2, 6. Here 2 are there. Write here 2. And then here 10 space 1 is there. 2 and 1. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Right here 3 lines are there. Now we write here 36. 24 plus 12 equals 36. Now we will add another one method. I'll show you add. Here I have 4 sketch pens. Here I have 4 sketch pens and 2 pencils. 4 sketch pens. Here I have 4 sketch pens and 2 pencils. How many are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 is the right answer. Let us write. Here I have 2 pens, sketch pens and 1 pencil. Here 2 pens and 1 pencil. Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the right answer. Yes, we did correctly. Now we will go to the next sum. Move to the next sum. 31 plus 15. Now we write here 31 plus 15. 1 plus 5. Write here 1. Using lines we are counting, children. Which one you can easy? You can count like this. In fingers also you can count, or using lines also you can count. Which one is easy for you? You follow that method. Now 1 means write here 1 line, and here 5 means write 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now add all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write here 6. Here 3 are there. Write 3 lines here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next one is 1 is there. Write here 1 line. 3 lines and 1 line. Now add all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, write here 4. Always you should write 1's place down only answer. 1 and 10's place down only you should write the tens. Here 4 tens and 6 ones makes 46. Okay. Now we will count using counters. Here 3 pens. First we will count 1 pen, and 5 pencil. 1 pen and 5 pencils. How many are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the right answer. Here we will count 3 plus 1. 3 pens. I'll take 3 sketch pens and 1 pencil. Now add all together how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 is the right answer. Using an object also we can count, or using lines also you can count. Which one is easy for you? Follow that method. Next sum is 43 plus 25. Now here again you write what is the number, first number? 3. Write here 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Here is 5 are there. Write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now add all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we write here 8. Here 4. Write 4 lines. And second one is 2. Write true. And add all this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the right answer. Here 6 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And next one is 1. Right here 1. Now all together how many are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here 7. Here only 1 is there, and here 2 is there. Right here 2. 2 lines. Count it. 1, 2, 3. Total how many lines are there? 3 lines. Using an object also you can count it. Here 0. 0 means no need to write any numbers. 0 means no need to write any numbers, and 8 means 8 only. If you are adding 0 to 8 we will get 8 only. Right here 8. Now 5 plus 2. Right here 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 is there. Right here 2. Count it all together how many lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here 7. Got it? How to do? Always you should start from counting 1's place and then move to the tens. Okay. Now 0 plus 0. How much? 0 means nothing. Now I don't have any pencils and no sketch pens. So 0 plus 0, 0 only. Now 4 plus 3. Here you write 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And write here 3. 1, 2, 3. Now count it all together. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write here 7. Okay, got it children? How to do? Is it very easy? Yes. Next main. Find the sum. Here is find the sum. Second main. 5 plus 3. It is in your textbook. Page number 114. Page number 114. Page number 114. See, think 0 plus 0, always 0 only. The sums we will do now. Find the sum. Here 5 plus 3. Now we will do another one method. Mentally we will count. Here first digit is 5. 5 keep in your mind and 3 in your fingers. 5 keep in your mind and 3 in your fingers. Now you say 5 after 6, 7, 8. Now you write here 8. Here also 5 plus 3 is there. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Now we write here 8. And here is second sum. 7 plus 1. Now 7 in your mind. 1 is in your finger. 7 after 8. Now we write here 8. Now 3 is in your mind. Keep in your mind 3 and 2 is in your finger. Now 3 after is 4, 5. Now I write here 5. Next 0 plus 2. 0. If you are added 0 to 2 means we will get 2 only. I have 2 fingers. 0 means nothing to add means just you write here 2 only. Now 8 is in your mind. 1 is in your finger. 8 after 9. Write here 9. Next sum is 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0, 4 only. Now 3 plus 4 is there. 3 is in your mind. 4 is in your finger. Now 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you write here 7. Here also 3 plus 4. 3 in your mind. 4 is in your fingers. Now 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Write here 7. Always you write once down only. Don't write crassly. Exact down only you should write ones place only, and tens while you are adding write down only. Tens place down only you should write. Now 2 plus 4 is there. 2 is in your mind. 4 is in your finger. Yes. 2 after. Yes. Say along with me. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 6 is the sum. 23 plus 44 equals 67. Next 6 sum. 6 plus 3. What we should do, children, here? Yes. Which one is in your mind? 6 is in your mind. And 3 is in your? Yes. Open your fingers. 3 is in your fingers. 6 after? 7, 8, 9. Right here 9. Now here 4 plus 4. How much? Yes. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 is in your mind. Another 4 is in your finger. Now count along with me. Open your fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here 8. Understood, children, how to do using counting? Using fingers? Yes, I hope everybody understood. Now let us move to the third main. Find the sum. Here it is very easy. 2 plus 2, 0. So first ones place we will count. 0 plus 0, 0 only. Now 2 plus 2, how much? Yes, 2 plus 2, 4. 2 is in your mind. Another 2 is in your finger. 2 after 3, 4. Right here 4. Yes. 0 plus 0. Again write 0. 6 plus 2. 6 is in your mind. 2 is in your finger. 6 after 7, 8. Right here 8. 0 plus 0. 0. 5 plus 1. 5 is in your mind. 5 after 1 is in your finger. 5 after 6. Right here 6. Again 0 plus 0. 0 only. 3 plus 6. 3 is in your mind and 6 is in your finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here 9. Again 0 plus 0, 0 only. 3 is in your mind, 2 is in your finger. Yes. 3 after 4, 5. Right here 5. Okay. Next. 21 plus 34. Here, if you like to add using lines to add means, you can write using lines also. 1 plus 4. 1 draw one line and then again 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, one after count it all together. How many lines are there? Total lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here 5. Here 2 are there means right here 2 and 3 are there means right here 3. 3 lines. Now total lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Very simple now. Everybody understood? I hope everybody understood to do this one. Addition. Addition is very easy. If you are like and do means it is very easy. Here 3 is there. Right here 3 lines. 2 is there means right here 2. Here total lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here 5. Here 5 plus 4. Right here 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it total lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 0 plus 0. 0 only. And right here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And write 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Now total lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here 8. Here 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 means I have 9 pencils. I'll show you using an object how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pencils. And 0 means I don't have another pencils. Nothing. 0 means nothing. 9 pencils I have means you have to write here 9 only. 0 means nothing to add. Now 7 plus 2. Here I have 7 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pencils and another 2 more pencils are there means how many are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 pencils together. Here 0 plus 5. Last sum is 0 plus 5. 0 means nothing and 5 means I have 5 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here 5 only. 0 plus 5 means 5 only. Now right here 4. 4 pencils. 2, 3, 4 pencils and 3 pencils. 4 plus 3. Total how many pencils are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 pencils. Got it? How to do this one? Yes. Next sum is 4 plus 5. Now we will do using fingers. These 4 sums we will do using fingers. Now 4 in your mind, 5 in your fingers. Now 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here 9. And 3 is in your mind, another 3 is in your fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. Right here 6. Now 2 plus 2. How much? 2 is in your mind, another 2 is in your finger. 2 after 3, 4. 4 you can write. Now 5 is in your mind, another 2 is in your finger. 5 after 6, 7. Right here 7. Now 9 sum is 7 plus 1. 7 is in your mind, 1 is in your finger. 7 after 8. Right here 7 plus 1, 8. Now 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, how much? How many fingers are there? 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Now 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 3. 4 is in your mind and 3 is in your fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Write here 7. Remember children, always you should write the addition symbol in front of the second addend. In front of the second addend only you should write. Okay, I hope everybody understood. Thank you children. Everybody practice this one in your classwork and all homework book also, and write all these mains in your textbook. That is in your, it is in your textbook, page number 114. Page number 114. Write this one in your textbook also. Thank you.